In the world of entertainment, Disney's lost that magic touch. Once they were the kings of fairy tales, but not anymore, they're not loved that much. Missed the chance at obtaining One Piece, dropping duds, oh what a shame. Barely dodged the Death Note spell, while the box office plays a losing game. Empty theaters, a haunting sight. Snow White's lost to Jujutsu Kaisen's fight. Chainsaw Man's cutting clean through, hitting number one with a bloody view. Oh, Emmy over Disney, it's the new craze. We're dancing to the rhythm of those vivid displays, while Mickey Mouse falls into obscurity's blind. We're locked in the theaters for an anime night. Toilet bound, gotta clear the air. Fullmetal Alchemist with style and flair. Naruto speedy moves, he's got that run, while Spy Family shows us how to have fun. Hunter x Hunter's got the spirit so strong. JoJo's bizarre adventure where we all belong. Bleach is the cure for a boring day, while Berserk shows us the darker way. Emmy over Disney, it's the new craze. We're dancing to the rhythm of those vivid displays, while Mickey Mouse falls into obscurity's blind. We're locked in the theaters for an anime night. Give me those colors, give me the style, in the heart of the theater. Let's stay for a while. Let go of the past, let Disney decline. With every cool frame, it's anime time. Yeah. Black Butler serves that gothic charm. Kuroshitsuji with its magical harm, while Disney tries fading into the dark. Anime bursts forth, lighting up the park. Number